Okay, so today this is our first study guide for the test that we have next Monday. We are going to be focusing on finding the length of an unknown side and the perimeter of a shape when given the area. Now, everything you see in black right now would be given to you on a test. First of all, over here, and you can kind of see my pointer, we're looking at 488 square inches. That means that is the area because it is square inches. This over here is one side. We see the 8, and you can see my pointer, 8 inches. All of that is given to us. What we want to know right now is what is the length? Ooh, I remember that area equals length times width. So I'm just going to do it as a turnaround fact. I'm going to take the 488 and I'm going to divide by 8 so I can find out what my length is. I'm going to move this down just a tad, and we are going to do 488 divided by 8. Now everything that you see in red is actually my work, the work that I would be practicing on a test. Can 8 go into 4? No, it can't. Remember, long division, once again, something that will be on the test. 8 times 0 equals 0. That is important for this place value holder right here. So I know that if I have 3 on bottom, I have 3 on top. I'm going to bring down my reinforcements. 8 into 48, that's 6 times perfectly. Oops, excuse me. And I have 0. Bringing down the 8, and 8 into 8 is 1 time. Subtracting 8 to get a remainder of 0. So I'm going to fill in my length right here, 61 inches. 61 inches. I want to interact with this shape. I want to make sure that I truly know it. And then, because I just want to go that extra step and double check my answer, several of you that did really well on the quiz on Friday double checked your answers even when you were not asked to. That is great. 488 square inches. Now we're going to look at the perimeter. Well, I already have all of my sides, so I know that perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side. So I'm going to do, 61 plus 61 plus 8 plus 8 equals perimeter. If you want to be pretty snazzy and get that equation on the test, that would be great. Or just in real life, you are required to have those equations. So I'm going to do 61 plus 61. I'm not going to do all 4 all the way down because I want to make sure that I am actually focused and able to truly add just 2. When you start to add 4, it can be challenging, and that's when mistakes are made. $138, double checking my work. 61 times 2 and 8 times 2. Got the same answer both times. So I know that my perimeter is 138 inches, 138 inches. Now I would challenge you to sit down with mom or dad or whoever and really try to come up with another one on your own. A sample is about to follow. All right, this is the sample that you can do at home. You have 768 square inches. So that's your area, and 9 inches is going to be one side, your width. So if you come in anytime this week and can tell me what the length in inches is, and you can tell me what the perimeter is, in inches of course, I will go ahead and give you some cow tickets. And not only that, really, you are just practicing and trying to make yourself better for the test and for life, because these are actually things that you're going to be doing maybe for home improvement. That's just one example. So once again, look at all of the work that was done previously. That's quite a bit. However, it's not hard. It just takes up paper, and that's okay. Practice, practice. Best of luck.